Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make your phone scan QR code. Here are some steps to scan a QR code using the built-in scanner on Android. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Look for the scan or QR code scanner icon. It may be labeled Scan QR code or Scanner. Once visible, tap on the QR scanner icon to launch the built-in scanner. Point your phone's camera directly at the QR code, ensuring the code fits inside the on-screen frame. Wait a moment for the phone to recognize and scan the QR code automatically. Once scanned, a pop-up or link will appear. Tap it to open or take the suggested action, for example, visit a website. And now, we successfully visited the QR code's website link. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.